Want to make your video move in slow motion? Or maybe you want to speed things up like a time lapse. If you're using Canva, you are in luck. Canva makes it super easy to change how fast your video plays. Let's walk through it together. First, go to the Canva website. On the home page, click Video. You can either start a new video or open one you have already been working on. For now, click Create a Design and choose Video. Now it's time to bring in your video. Look at the menu on the left side. Click Upload. Then upload the video you want to change. It can be a short clip or a longer video, anything you like. Once it's uploaded, drag your video into the timeline. Here is a tip. Right-click on the video and select Set Video as Background. That way, it fills your screen nicely. Now, let's say you only want to slow down or speed up part of the video. You need to cut out that first part. Move the playhead, that little line that shows where you are in the video, to where you want the effect to start. Right-click and choose Split Page. Then, move the playhead again to where you want the effect to end. Right-click again and choose Split Page. Now, that middle section is where you will change the speed. Click on the video clip you just split. Now, look at the top menu and click on Playback. You will see a speed slider. By default, it's set to 1, which means normal speed. To slow down the video, drag the slider to the left. To speed up it, drag the slider to right. Now, play your video to see the changes. You will notice how it flows slower or faster, depending on your choice. Here is why I love it. It's great for storytelling. A slow motion clip can show something important. A speed up clip is perfect for something funny or something that takes too long in real time. Last week, I used it to slow down a skateboard trick my friend landed. It looked awesome. Another time, I speed up a boring cooking step so people didn't fall asleep watching it. It makes your video way more fun and keeps people watching. Play around with it. Try making one part slow and another part fast. Mix it up. Canva makes this easy, so don't be afraid to try something new. If something doesn't look right, you can always undo it. So, I hope you found this simple tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will do my best to reply to you.